Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a review about this product. It's called the Oxygenics ProBody Spa, and this is it right here. It's a shower head that you put in your RV shower, and it's got a hose that goes along with it. And it connects to the faucet down here. Now, I also want to put this. I also want to, give you a look at this faucet too, because this is an Empire faucet that I would recommend. It's really nice to have these easy to move nozzles instead of the ones that you turn. They get all gross inside. So I want to show you how this works. I'm going to put it down like this. And one of the problems you have with an RV shower is you don't get very good water pressure. And as you can see, this gives really good water pressure. And one of the cool features about this product is you can press this button and pause it, because RV showers only have about 7 gallons. We only have 7 gallons in ours of water. So you press this button and it'll pause it. Now look at that flow out of it. It's a pretty good flow. And I think you could it does even better if you have better water pressure with your RV in general. But we have a bit of an older RV and may not have the best water pressure in general, but this is so much better than what we had before. It's about 100% times better. So I just wanted to give you a look at it. It's only got one setting, and I guess it shoots out a lot of air with it. That's what makes it come out so quickly with the much pressure as it does. And this isn't what came with it, but fits in there real, and you can take it off. And so just wanted to let you know about it. I would recommend it. It costs $45 at the RV store we got it from, while this down here costs $25. All very much worth it. It'll improve your shower experience in your RV to where you feel like you're almost at a hotel. Alright, have a good day.